The West Bend Stir Crazy Popcorn Popper is a convenient appliance that can produce up to 6 quarts of popcorn in just a few minutes, making it perfect for family movie nights or parties. This popcorn popper features a unique design with a clear cover that doubles as a serving bowl, adding versatility and ease of use to your popcorn making experience. Equipped with a motorized stirring rod, the Stir Crazy Popcorn Popper ensures that all kernels are evenly popped, providing larger and more consistently fluffy pieces. The non-stick heating surface of this popper makes it incredibly easy to clean, while the top rack dishwasher safe cover enhances its user-friendliness. For those who are tight on space, the popper's nesting design allows it to be stored compactly, and the built-in cord wrap prevents tangling. The West Bend Stir Crazy Popcorn Popper is designed with thoughtful features like heat-resistant handles and a butter well that melts butter directly onto the popcorn, elevating your snacking experience.